While you slept last night, your brain was supposed to flush out a toxic waste product, but it probably didn't, and it's still inside your brain right now. Every hour you're awake, your brain produces a chemical called adenosine. It's essentially biological waste, and the only way to clear it is through deep sleep. Here's where it gets interesting. During deep sleep, your brain cells physically shrink by up to 60%, opening channels for fluid to flush that waste out, like a drain that only opens at night. When it works, you wake up sharp, clear, and ready. But for most people, that drain never fully opens. Because the glymphatic system, the network that drives this process, is extraordinarily sensitive. Stress, irregular sleep times, and light exposure at night all prevent your brain from reaching the depth where this cleaning happens. So adenosine carries over, night after night, until your brain is running on exhaustion it can never fully repay. That's why 8 hours of sleep can still leave you exhausted, because your body was unconscious, but your brain never got clean. So how do you actually fix this? Not with more sleep, but with better conditions for deep sleep. Here are 3 things most people have probably never considered. Number 1. Temperature. Keep your room between 16 and 19 degrees. Your glymphatic system only activates when your core temperature drops. Most people sleep too warm to ever reach that depth. Number 2. Consistency. Wake up and go to sleep at the same time every day. Your glymphatic system follows your circadian rhythm. Shift it by even 1 hour, and the drain opens late or not at all. Number 3. Your sleeping position. Sleep on your side. Research shows side sleeping increases glymphatic flow more than any other position. Your brain was literally designed to drain this way. These 3 things cost nothing, but for most people, they change everything. Like this video and subscribe to Body Limits, because your body is always trying to recover, but you just need to let it.